Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Bitcoin Cash. We're currently down bad in the crypto bear market. We have started 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen the altcoin market rallying. Altcoins have been pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin Cash is up 5.4% in the last 1 week, but we're still down more than 71.8% in the last 1 year. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin Cash US dollar price chart. We'll be looking at how high Bitcoin Cash can go if Bitcoin Cash partakes in this relief rally we're experiencing right now in the altcoin market. We'll also be looking at levels where Bitcoin Cash might pump to. Is the bottom in for Bitcoin Cash right now? The lowest we have seen Bitcoin Cash go in this bear market is the $86.5 region. Is there a possibility Bitcoin Cash will go lower than that before the end of this bear market? We'll also be looking at Bitcoin Cash performance against Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at Bitcoin Cash market cap, which currently sits around $2 billion. How high can Bitcoin Cash market cap go if we see Bitcoin Cash partaking this relief rally? Can we see the market cap maybe, just maybe, rally back to the $6 billion region, maybe even get higher than that? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2023 started on a very brighter note. We have seen all coins pumping to higher prices. That's a huge improvement from the dump we saw happen in the altcoin market in 2022. We've gone through the first part of the bear market where we see altcoins dumping to goblin town. Now we're supposed to go through the second phase of that bear market, which is the process of reaccumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. If you take a look at what Bitcoin Cash did in its first crypto bear market, we saw Bitcoin Cash lose more than 98% of its value. In this bear market, Bitcoin Cash is currently down bad, and we have seen Bitcoin Cash lose more than 94% of its value. Now, there's a lot of arguments around in the market saying we do one final dump to the downside. There's two sets of schools in the market right now. Some people believe we're at this phase of the market where Bitcoin Cash was in September, November 2018, where we just need one final dump to the downside before we see the bottom. But guys, if you believe the bottom is in and Bitcoin Cash is going to be rallying up to higher prices just like we did in 2019, how high can Bitcoin Cash go in that relief rally? In 2019, we saw Bitcoin Cash rally up around 587% from the bottom. How high can Bitcoin Cash rally up in 2023? From the lowest point we have seen Bitcoin Cash get to in this bear market, that's the $87.4 region. If Bitcoin Cash is going to rally up around 554%, just like we did in the previous bear market, guys, that will see Bitcoin Cash rallying up to the $568 region. But before we get there, we have to face some resistance along the way. These are key levels you want to pay attention to for Bitcoin Cash as we're pumping to higher prices in 2023. First level where Bitcoin Cash might face some heavy resistance as we're pumping to the upside in this relief rally might be around the $146 region. Take a look at what Bitcoin Cash has did at the past. We've had some huge reactions to that price region. Earlier in 2022, we saw Bitcoin Cash get rejected at that $146 region. Bitcoin Cash caught a huge bounce to the upside at that level in March 2020. So I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin Cash maybe get rejected at that level one more time. Or if we blast through, then we'll be happy. But Bitcoin Cash might face another important level just around the $200 region. If you also look at the $200 region, you see that Bitcoin Cash have had some huge bounces off that level. Before Bitcoin Cash went to the bull run, we saw it forming the base around that $200 region, and Bitcoin Cash was even launched in 2017 around that level. So this might be the end of the relief rally for Bitcoin Cash. Maybe, just maybe, if we get to that $200 region from where Bitcoin Cash is currently trading right now, Bitcoin Cash will need to rally up another 87% for us to get there. But guys, the fact that we're in the bear market doesn't mean we won't see huge pumps to the upside. The fact that we're in the bear market doesn't mean we can't see huge rallies and I believe we might see Bitcoin Cash get to as high as $390 before the end of 2023. In the previous bear market, when the bottom was in and people were still expecting lower prices, we saw Bitcoin Cash rally up to as high as more than $500. In this bear market, for Bitcoin Cash to rally up back to the $390 region, Bitcoin Cash will have to rally up more than 323%. And that's very, very possible for Bitcoin Cash because, guys, we've not seen Bitcoin Cash give us any significant pump since when we got to that high we set in May 2021 when Bitcoin Cash was around $1,600. Since then, the highest pump I've seen in Bitcoin Cash came in this phase in July 2021 and October 2021 when Bitcoin Cash went up 100%. The other pump we had in Bitcoin Cash in June 2022 took Bitcoin Cash up just 74%. So if Bitcoin Cash wants to rally up to the $390 region, we have to see a huge pump in Bitcoin Cash, the kind of pump I've not seen since when the bull run ended for it in May 2021. And the best case scenario where I see Bitcoin Cash heading to before the end of 2023 might be around $500. For Bitcoin Cash to head that high, Bitcoin Cash will have to rally up around 460%. Guys, we're in the bear market, and 2023 is going to be the year for accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. We're going to see some rallies along the way. We're going to see altcoins pumping to higher prices, but overall, you want to be careful with altcoins because they are very dangerous in the bear market. If the bottom is not in, that huge dump to the downside can see altcoins going down around 40%. But if the bottom is in and we see altcoins pumping to higher prices, we should also not get carried away calling for a new bull run. We have gone through the hardest phase of the bear market. That's where we see the markdown period where altcoins dump to Goblin Town. Right now, we're going through the sideways period where we might see Bitcoin Cash just ranging maybe from the $89 level to as high as we can get in this relief rally. We might spend the majority of 2023 or early 2024 ranging sideways or going to the downside. If you take a look at what Bitcoin Cash has been doing the last 1 month, we saw Bitcoin Cash go from as low as $95.73 to as high as $110. Smart investors are buying altcoins right now in the bear market. Smart investors are making their plans for the next bull run. But guys, if you want to copy what the smart investors are doing, you don't want to go all in when you're buying altcoins. As I earlier told you guys, altcoins are volatile. Yes, we like them when they're pumping to higher prices. When we see all green bubbles, we're happy. But they can also dump to Goblin Town, and that can happen very quickly. We saw that happen a lot in 2022. I'll not be shocked if we see some period of time where altcoins are dumping to Goblin Town in 2023. If you take a look at Bitcoin Cash market cap, which currently sits above $2 billion, Bitcoin Cash has a fully diluted market cap of $2.2 billion. Out of a maximum supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin Cash has more than 19.2 million coins in circulation. Currently around 27 on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Cash has over 347,000 people that have this altcoin on their watch list. Where can you buy some Bitcoin Cash if you want to get some in the bear market? As you're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some Bitcoin Cash on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Qcoin, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoin. If you take a look at Bitcoin Cash performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're still down in Goblin Town. We have not seen Bitcoin Cash have any huge pumps against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe, just maybe, the alt season we'll have in 2023, we see Bitcoin Cash outperform Bitcoin by maybe 100%, 200%. But I'm not expecting us to do anything crazy like setting new all-time highs in 2023. Maybe by the end of the next bull run, we might see Bitcoin Cash rallying up heavily against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But right now, we are still down in Goblin Town, and Bitcoin Cash has been going sideways since July 2022 against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. So where are we going to pump to? Are we going to pump to the upside, or are we going to dump to Goblin Town? Take a look at Bitcoin Cash market cap. We almost set new all-time lows in this bear market, but Bitcoin Cash market cap found support around the $1.6 billion region. I'm not totally convinced that this is the bottom. We might see Bitcoin Cash market cap come back to that $1.6 billion region. Maybe, just maybe, even go back to test the previous all-time low around $1.3 billion. If we're rallying up to higher prices, key levels where Bitcoin Cash might face some resistance. We might see the market cap even rally up to as high as $7 billion if we're lucky. That will mean from the bottom Bitcoin Cash got to in 2021, Bitcoin Cash will need to rally up 345%. Best case scenario, before the end of the relief rally, Bitcoin Cash market cap might probably head back to the $10 billion region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin Cash heading to in 2023? Are you buying more Bitcoin Cash right now, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you see this rally continuing anytime soon in the altcoin market, or are we just pumping up to dump one final down to the downside? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.